Alright, y'all, we starting another video. Some more modifications about to happen to the 300 again. So in this video, y'all, we finna go take the first, starting off of the video, man, we about to take this goddamn hood, the Viper hood. We about to go take this shit to the paint shop. Two, as y'all see, man, we got a big ass box right here, right? Look at that, y'all. We got the motherfucking new bumper, freshly painted. Yeah, that bitch is, it's just dusty, that's it. But yeah, we got the new bumper sitting right here. So yeah, we about to toss that up on here today. But first we gotta go take this to the shed, and then we gonna come back. I'm probably gonna heat up some pieces of the wrap, cause I forgot to heat some of the shit, and I don't remember what exactly. I think I told my girl to do it, but she never did. So now I got like, it's like pieces of the design like this on the side right here. So as y'all can see, like up close, I don't know, you can't really tell actually. I might have was tripping. I thought last night it was something peeling on this side, but I don't see it. So I could have been just fucking in my head. But yeah, y'all, we about to go ahead and definitely take this hood to the shed. I might actually record me driving it, cause I haven't been recording me driving this shit. Y'all see the POV, man. This shit look good up in here. Oh yeah, y'all, this shit, the car actually is a mess though. Like back here we got mad boxes and fuckery going on. But that's the OEM dealer coolant back there. I never got it flushed yet. Oh, that's fucking, this shit tweaking. But yeah, y'all, we gotta get this on. Yo, y'all, I want to rev it up for y'all. Like, listen to how this shit sound real quick. Like, look. Like, this shit sounds so fucking, like good. Like, it's like I love that sound, bro. But yeah, y'all, that's all I wanted to show y'all. Just the little baby revs real quick. About to, definitely about to head over to the shop in like a couple seconds. I'm just trying to wait till the temperature get up to like at least 170. Once it's at like 170, it don't really like drive fucked up. Cause usually like if it's like real cold, like too cold, when I start driving, the car be like, it'd be weird as fuck. Like this shit be jerking and shit. Like I don't like that. So, and I drove another Chrysler because I thought something was wrong with the car when it was doing that. I drove like a brand new Chrysler, and that shit was doing the same thing. I think it's like something with the 8-speed. Like once it get like cold, like when it's cold, then you trying to drive, like it's stuck between either trying to go fast or like real slow. So it'd be like the transmission don't know what to do. So it'll either shift early or it'll like shift too late. So it seemed like your car revving up high as a bitch. It'd be weird as hell. But yeah, waiting to this shit. Let's get up to 170 and then we out, y'all. But yeah, the shit not too far from the house, so it'll be a couple seconds. Alright, y'all, we finally away from the fuckery. Now we got a light. If it ain't one thing, it's a fucking other, man. Nah, them boys was driving like so, like, bruh, I was doing like 14 like the whole time. Yo, they need to add like something so you could see the light under here. I'm so glad I wasn't going like doing a hard pull, bro. I would have fucking went right through this light. You need to put a light down, bro. Nigga cannot see under the fucking bridge. they got glass and shit in the road. I like this little neighborhood right here. As I come down terrorizing it, they'll never let me live over here. Ugh. I think it's this street. I'm not even. I literally completely forgot which street it was on. This it right here. I literally was about to pass it. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, we gotta put y'all down. Well, I just did a hard ass pull, y'all, and I didn't even record it. Fuck. But yeah, y'all, dude, he didn't want to be on camera and shit, so I respect that. So I had turned the video off. Sorry about that, y'all. But yeah, we dropped the hood off. And yeah, he pretty much was just one of his employees was just asking about the car and stuff, and I was just letting him know, showing him like what I did to the car. It wasn't nothing really too crazy that y'all missed. But yeah, we just did a hard ass pull. Yo, I always say this every time, y'all. Every time you take, I don't know, it kind of feels similar, because I guess the other hood got more vents and stuff. But I don't know, I always still feel like the car is a lot faster when it don't got the hood on it. The shit just pull, it's like instant torque. I don't know, y'all. That shit just feel different, man. I'm telling you. That shit is crazy. Yeah, I was going so fucking fast when I pulled off, I forgot I didn't have a bumper on, so that fucking shit be in the wind flopping. The black thing that goes around the tire and then the bottom plate. That shit was just. You gotta be. Ooh, Jetta. That shit sounds so good. I love the turbo flutters, y'all. Oh yeah, y'all. Tell me why the other day, bruh, I seen a fucking V6 Challenger. That shit was pro charged. Like he had the RIP supercharged kit. Oh my god. God damn. Yo, I kind of want to turn down here, y'all. Just take a little cruise. There's another tunnel over here. Damn. I get cut off by some dude with a trailer. That's crazy. It seems like I get caught at every light in this car, bro. Let's see where we at with these temperatures. Oh shit, I forgot I was in first gear. Yo, first gear is so aggressive. Second is too. Fuck. That shit's so aggressive, bro. Fuck, I just keep getting stopped at these lights, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get back to the shop. This is how this shit looking right now, cause I ain't show y'all how this bitch looking. And we ended up pulling out to the tent shop. Y'all know where we go get the tents for the car, each car. So we got the can cat right here. As y'all can see, this bitch got new wheels on it. Yeah. Fitment Industries hooked the cam cat up. We got that shit looking right. Man, I'm telling you, if we ain't live in Rochester, bad, that shit'll be low. Nah, as soon as they fix like the main roads we drive on, our shit, we'll lower our shit. But we got this. This shit hard. This shit tough. BMW. Hold on, y'all. We can't have y'all having a sneak peek. Alright, y'all. Y'all see the facing on the Mary Hood box. And it's all assembled, man. Looking good. Yeah, it's like 10 o'clock right now. I'm tired. You tired? Yeah, I'm tired, y'all. This shit look good, though. I'm gonna lie. My energy a little low. Oh, fuck, boy. I'm gonna drop the damn camera. But, yeah, y'all. We about to do a little time lapse of us putting this bitch up on the car. After I take a little 10-second fucking break. Let me get a second, y'all. Alright, y'all. It's the next day. We got the Chrysler out here. Halfway parked in the garage. Because last night, I ain't finished. I was fucking busy and shit. We was working on the other truck. And yeah, but yeah, y'all, we got about halfway through. Then niggas gave up type shit. I was tired. And yeah. So now we got just the only thing we gotta do really is put the face on. I was putting back on the light bar. Oh yeah, I gotta put the side markers and shit back on. And then yeah, we could put the face of the car on. I still didn't wrap the lip, y'all, so the lip is not going on immediately. So yeah, y'all might see me drive around for probably like a day or two with no lip. I kind of just want to, enjoy the car without the lip for a little bit. Same like how I was saying about the wing. It's one of those things where I got it. I know I'm going to put it on. But I just want to kind of look at it just plain Janed out for a little bit. And yeah. And we definitely got to wash this shit, bro. The car's starting to look like, the wrapping shit look weird now. Like a little tacky. Like I don't know what the fuck going on. Like the lines and shit looking like they got dirt in them. Like, oh, it's like you could see it on the seams of the wrap. It's like the dust. That shit like collected right on the side of it. But yeah, I'm about to spray this shit off. Yeah, I don't know. That shit look white. I don't know if you can tell on camera. It's like white exactly where the line in the wrap is. And even like on these, it's like white all around it. But yeah, first I'm gonna put the bumper on and shit, then we gonna spray this shit off. But yeah, y'all. I'm gonna just keep updating y'all, cause like I said, I don't want to bore y'all. This shit get boring, you know. Like y'all already see me put the bumper in. I'm putting up the same shit back on the cars. That shit get boring. But yeah, y'all, we about to finish it up, and yeah, we'll be done. All right, y'all, we finally got the bumper back on, man. This shit looking crazy as hell. Got the side markers plugged back in and shit. Hold on, okay, y'all. Let me switch the setting. Oh shit. And we gonna hit the switch right here. Just to show y'all everything in motion. Look, y'all already seen this before, but yeah, we got the, you feel me? That shit looking crazy again. With the light bar in the middle, it also go white if y'all ain't seen it in the last videos. And y'all see the fucking gloss black grill came out crazy. The car is still dirty, so we gotta wash it and shit. But y'all, I know I look a hot mess right now. Probably got shit in my hair, but fuck it. Yo, this is gonna be the end of this video. This was a 2-day process because I installed the bumper and I also was working on another car. So it took 2 days and shit. Cause I also had to assemble the bumper. And yeah, I kind of just reinforced everything with zip ties. So hopefully next time, you know, like it could take a few more impacts. Cause I know the roads ain't gonna get better anytime soon. But yeah, it's kind of just like a bump thing. Like when I hit a bump for some odd ass reason, the car look high as fuck right now. That's probably because I just jacked it up. But when the car gets settled down, the car, it doesn't sit low, but like it sit pretty like low when it come down to like the front end of the car. So when I hit bumps on like the expressway and shit, those little like humps, if you from Rochester, you know what I'm talking about. When I hit those humps, that shit will literally, or like crossing over a bridge, like I hear the bottom of the car like fucking bottoming out, like scraping and shit. So yeah, y'all, that's probably why the bumper fucked up. And I looked underneath all the bolts and shit for the lip. Y'all know this lip right here. All the bolts and shit from the bottom of this one broke off, so that's how I knew it was like hitting the ground and shit when it hit a bump. So I'm gonna leave the lip off for a little bit, but yeah, y'all, this is gonna be the end of this video, man. Hope y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.
And that big ass Tahoe, you not catching shit, pal.
Bitch, my Hellcat way too fast, I had the DS on the tritty. Fuck a hollow to my Glock, he sound like Jesus fighting demons. Just the copper's turkey, nigga made a worm, use a fan. All on video, said you like my content, shook my hand. Cops, they try to hold me down, I ain't go for that. Same day out, they caught me speeding, I ain't stop for that. Fuck the scat, I broke the bitch, just to go and buy it back. I don't ever stop, I see them license, I'm gon' peel them back. PSP, they try to fuck me over, got my license back. I go cold, nigga use a spinner, bring that Hellcat back. Lawyers finna get charged for them chases.